So this truck here pretty much has every LED bulb that you can get. And that didn't leave us with many options, but even still, LASFIT came through with some parts for the truck. So the only bulb that is not LED on that new Denali are the license plate bulbs. I have no clue why they did that, but they're just regular incandescent bulbs. So we reached out to LASFIT and they hooked us up with some L-T10. These are basically like a 194 equivalent bulb, white. And we're gonna swap those out today and get some LEDs in our license plate bulbs. And then they also sent us some light pods and wiring harness. So I'm not sure where we're gonna put that yet, but we're gonna test them out and do some review on the quality and the brightness of them. I have a feeling based on my past experience that they're gonna be really bright, and I'm looking forward to it. But first, let's knock this install out real quick. I haven't done a cold start yet on the new truck. Let's see what it sounds like. Don't mind my trash. We bought some new bedroom furniture and haven't thrown it away yet. All right, here we go. It's a pretty aggressive cold start. Maybe that it was like echoing up against the fence, but it sounded good. All right, let's back it up in the bay and we'll get putting these bulbs on. Two little bulbs here. Let's see if we can get underneath here and see where they're plugged in at. So we're underneath the bumper now, and it's kind of hard to tell, but you can see we're right by the hitch. If we go right up by the hitch support, zoom in, there's the connector for the bulb right there. So we'll pop that out, and it should be a quick swap. All right, we got it out. The hardest part about this is getting my fat meat claws like up in there to twist the thing, because you got to twist it like 45 degrees counterclockwise to get it out. And now we got to figure out how to hold it and pull the bulb out. All right, we got the bulbs out, and now we'll pop this open. No polarity, so we can put it in either way, and should look a lot better. All right, we got the new bulb in. Fits just fine. You push it right in there, just like the old one, and now we got to try to feed this thing back up in its socket. If I had smaller hands, this would be easier. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. All right, all done. You can see it's much brighter than before. And it's not yellow anymore. All right, that was a pretty straightforward install. It took like 2 minutes, and probably 1.5 minutes of that was me filming. All right, so it's a day later and it's dark outside now. I don't know if you can tell, my right side of my mouth is numb. I went to the dentist today, so I'm kind of a little bit out of it. He gave me some Vicodin to take. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the forgot what I was talking about. I'm gonna show you the after of the LED bulbs. All right, let's see if they'll turn on with the lights now. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at how bright that is. Much brighter, crisp white. And so now everything on the truck is white. No ugly yellow LED. Everything is like a crystal white, you know, sorry, did I say LEDs? No ugly yellow incandescent bulbs. Everything is LEDs now. So I'm gonna go recover now and try to get a little better. Maybe I can edit this video now that I'm done. And oh, that hurt. Oh man. and they numbed like right here, and it went all the way up my face. Whew. Earlier I couldn't even, like, this was just wrecked. So, well, I forgot what I was talking about. I keep looking at my bike. I kind of want to ride it. I'm gonna go inside now and edit this video. Yeah, and I'll cut to an earlier clip where I talk about where you can get these bulbs if you want them. If you want a set of these bulbs, you can get them on LASFIT's website. You can see it right here, lasfit.com. This is a L-T10 bulb. And if you want to get a discount on your order, you can type in at checkout, that's Leaman Griffin, the and sign, and the word LASFIT. And I'll actually put that right here. That way you can get it. If you put that in at checkout, it'll give you a discount off of regularly priced items, anything on their website. So go check them out, guys, www.lasfit.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next one.